I can't even read these two cards, which are all the examples of diversity of the people in Westminster Abbey. It goes on and rightly on. That was the most multicultural service this country has ever put on. The idea it was too white is completely ridiculous.
Piers, we are talking about the intimate royal family, which you'll remember was rocked by now unfounded accusations of racism.
They're white people.
Bear with me. No, they're not all family members.
Let me ask you a question.
I'm going to tell you.
Let me ask you a question. You got married, right?
Yes.
In your wedding snaps, how many non-white people are there?
It was a state occasion. It was not a personal wedding.
Simple question.
And the king...
It's not a simple question. It's not a simple question.
Tessa,
it's actually detracting
let the record show you
issue.
haven't answered my question.
It's detracting from the issue.
Hang on.
It's simplifying
I simply asked how many non-white people will be in your wedding pictures.
They were all Romanian because I got married to a Romanian. I want to suggest
they're all
that the Tongan
Just
family...
to be clear...
They were all
Just to be clear,
white.
you didn't go around and try and find some people who weren't immediate family and put them in your picture to look more diverse.
But this isn't a royal family who would have had to look very far, Piers.
I'm so sorry. You mentioned Tonga earlier. The King of Tonga or Queen is not also the monarch of 14 other realms. Why not get 14 boys and girls from those 14 other realms? That's diversity.
Because actually, if you looked at the congregation and who was invited and looked at the procession of 7,000 people, there were literally hundreds and thousands, actually, of people who were not white in both of those,
but
right?
It
just so happens that in the senior members of our royal family, they are white people, which last time I checked in this country is not illegal. You are allowed to be white.